The stainless steel bird spike. Its item number is NC3. The material base is made from polycarbonate, and its base length and base width are 60 cm and 5 cm respectively. The material spike is made of PC304, and the spike height is 10.5 cm. Its structure is 5 spikes, 1 row, 15 rows, altogether 74 spikes.